Yes, family, we're enjoying this beautiful journey of a lifetime here at the Youth Institute of Science and Technology. And here are some of the staff members mixing with our group members. And everybody just look beautiful and full of energy. And I'm focusing over on all our beautiful sisters here. How is the education system in the school? Are the children picking up fast?
Yes, very fast.
And most of the children are directly from this neighborhood. And how long have you been here teaching?
1 year.
1 year?
Just 1 year.
Also everybody's new.
No, I'm old one.
Yes, y'all. Jesse Peppy Park. You enjoy the music?
Excited. Yeah, and you know, last year it weren't so many kids. And they're just so beautiful. It's such a delight to be here and to be able to give back and tell with Africa for the Africans. It's so clear how much they value your work. They even wrote your name and Africa for the Africans in their mission statement. So if that's not major, I don't know what is. If you have not gotten a chance to visit with Bomani and Africa for the Africans to make a difference in the lives of so many, the future leaders of the world, you have to put that on your to-do list. Make it happen. 2013 is just around the corner. Keep it locked, stay tuned. Ghana, as we say in Jamaica, turn up.
Excellent, excellent. And we have one of our beautiful sisters here. How you feeling?
Fine, how are you?
Your heart is just, you like your heart is melting.
Yeah. Nice seeing the children.
Love the energy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we appreciate yourself and everyone else's contribution because it's a team effort.
Right.
So we keep it strong, definitely.
Okay.
And these are some of the supplies we donated.
Okay.
She's here.
And yes, and here we have a Kosovo again. Yes.
Welcome to Africa for Africans. No, Africa for Africans. Tours and investments from ATL to Ghana, West Africa.
It's good to see you
And
again.
I'm hoping that, Bomani, the work that you do, it continues and you bring more and more people. And I'm really hoping that all of you come back to Africa, more importantly on your own when you have a lot more time, and also think ultimately about repatriating because there's a lot of work here to be done. We need as many brothers and sisters as possible to get the work done. And it's a beautiful thing. It's so much better than going to a 9-to-5. And this is from a high school principal that put in a lot of hours.
Excellent.
So thank you.
Yeah, we love your energy. And then we see brother Kojo back here. He's trying to hide. Kojo.
Yeah, Bomani.
Yes, and this is your area.
Oh yeah. No, as you always say.
You're an Ashanti man.
Yes, of course.
Are you from Agogo or somewhere
Yeah, I'm
close to Agogo?
From Agogo, but just that I was raised at Accra, the capital of Ghana. So you know, now as you go through, you're coming back to your root. I also have to come back to Agogo to bring this place up in terms of school, in terms of physique, everything that I've learned in the city. I have to bring it back to.
Well, we appreciate your energy because you're a big link with making this happen every year since October 2007.
Give time.
Just keep it strong.